Dents and scratches can significantly harm a vehicle's appearance and resale value, making repairs essential in today's competitive used car market. Paintless Dent Repair (PDR) removes minor dents by reshaping metal without sanding, fillers, or repainting, preserving the original paint and structure. Originally developed for production lines, PDR is now popular for fixing hail damage, parking lot dings, and minor accidents. Maintaining a flawless exterior is vital since visible defects can deter buyers and lower a vehicle's perceived worth. PDR helps uphold original paint quality, which is a key indicator of accident-free history for both dealers and buyers, boosting resale and trade-in values. Compared to traditional bodywork, PDR is faster, costing 40–60% less and often completed in hours rather than days. It is also eco-friendly, avoiding harmful chemicals and reducing environmental impact. PDR supports insurance claims and leased vehicle conditions by restoring the vehicle without costly penalties. Furthermore, untreated dents can lead to rust and structural weakening. PDR prevents this by maintaining a sealed paint surface. Certified PDR technicians deliver high-quality, seamless finishes that surpass do-it-yourself attempts and suit classic or luxury vehicles where originality is prized. Paintless Dent Repair is a smart, affordable, and eco-friendly way to keep your vehicle's appearance and value intact. If you need famous dent repair done, call Eric at 208-2515338. That's 208-2515338. Or send email at eric@theratofgemstatepdr.com.